Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My today's recipe is a very unique and traditional dish. It is originally from Bangladesh and today I am going to show it to you in my kitchen. It is called Chingri Mach Bata or prawn paste. So let us have a look at the ingredients now. As you can see, the ingredients are very minimalistic. We need around 15 prawn pieces. I've taken medium-sized prawns, 3 dry red chilies, around 2 tablespoons of ginger chopped, a teaspoon of turmeric, around 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and some salt to taste. So first we'll marinate our prawns with some turmeric and salt. You do not need to marinate it for long, 5 minutes is just enough. So now we'll heat our pan. And add in our mustard oil. Mustard oil around 1 tablespoon. We'll add in our dry red chilies now. And to this we'll add in our ginger, chopped ginger. Just give it a quick mix. And we'll add in our prawns now. We'll cook the prawns till they are well cooked. That would take us around 4 to 5 minutes. If you feel your fish is drying up too much, then you can sprinkle a little bit of water. And my fishes are almost cooked now. I'll stir it for another 2 minutes and it will be ready. My prawns are well cooked now and I'll turn off the gas and we'll move on to our final step. That is, we'll make a puree out of it or paste. So we'll transfer this into our mixture jar. Let it cool down a bit and then we'll make a paste out of it. Our prawns have cooled down and now we are going to make a puree out of it. Do not add any extra water in it. I haven't used any water and you do not use any water in it because that makes the paste really runny. And you can see it is a smooth paste and now I'll transfer it into a bowl. If you want, you can customize your chilies over here. If you don't like it too hot, then you can use less chilies. Prawn puree or Chingri Mach Bata is ready. It is best served with some steamed rice and ghee or clarified butter. Do give it a try and it tastes just amazing. So friends, keep watching for more such traditional recipes and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.